So guys, look at this hair. Let's see how it's going to be like after making this three line part. So guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Now I want to start making the hair, but first I have to lose the hair because she braided the hair into parts, and now I'm going to make an open party for her, just a simple hairstyle, and it's the best way to make this three line part. First I have to brush the hair because the hair was not properly brushed. I brushed the hair, then comb it, then before I start cutting the hair. This is the time for me to cut the hair into my lines that I want. I have to make 3 lines of this hair. Guys, just feel relaxed and watch this video. I cannot be able to explain everything from the beginning to the end, but just take your time, get a glass of water and watch this video. And meanwhile, I'm going to be waiting to hear your option on this hairstyle. Tell me what you think about the hair, and tell me, is it looking beautiful on her after finishing the hair? Now we are starting. I cut the hair from the middle, then this is the hair I'm going to leave out. Then after, I'm making 2 weaving on the side. Now I'm cutting a little hair. This is to make a braid. It's not the hair I'm going to leave out, it's just the hair I'm going to braid and braid it to the other side. Now I'm braiding it. After I finish braiding this hair, I'll make another little line on the other side also. Then after doing that, I will cut a little hair out again to make the second part. So just watch me as I'm doing it. Now I'm braiding the hair I'm going to leave out. The both side is already done. Hope you can see the way I'm doing it, and I hope many of you that are watching, you're learning. And don't forget, if you're coming across this video for the first time, please do hit on the red button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video whenever I upload, so you'll be the first to see it. So you can see now I'm braiding the little hair that I'm going to use to add the weavo on the side. So after all that, I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video. Take your time, relax and watch it. Braids are already done. Watch the front and the back so you don't miss out. It is time for me to start fixing the hair. So it's used weavon. It's time to sew. You can see the way I'm putting it step by step. I like sewing this way because anytime she wants to pack the hair up, or maybe she's feeling heat, she wants to pack the hair, not just for her alone. Most of my clients, when they want to do weave on, I like sewing the hair like that so they can pack it like ponytail and they are free to leave it as well. Nothing going to disturb them on their back, and the weaving under will not be showing. So I'm done with the back and add it to the front. Take your time and relax and watch this video so you get the secret of this video and how it's going to be at the end of it. I'll be leaving you guys here to take your time and watch. Don't forget, subscribe. Subscription is free. Most people find it difficult to subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay money to subscribe. It's just you tap the red button and you are subscribed already. So now is the front time. Watch the way I'm bending my weave on when I want to sew that corner. I don't cut weave-ons because I don't like cutting people's weave-on. Not everyone love their weave-on to be cut. So me, I hardly cut my weave-on. If you will be watching all my video whenever I'm sewing, you will see that I don't cut weave-on. So this is the secret of me, how I take off my clients' weave-on when I'm sewing their hair. Now we are done, and is the time for we to see the secret of the hair. Time to straighten the hair. I comb the hair, then I put on my spray. The reason why I put on the spray to make the hair look more straight and to blend with the weave on, because if I don't put that, and the hair will not be straight, it will be bending and getting fold after. Watch me on the next step. I'll look at the hair. It looks natural, like the weave on, like the weave on and the hair, they are both the same thing. You see how straight the hair is right now, and this hair is the hair we are going to leave inside. Now you can see just the other part for the middle that is remaining. And before that, let me show you. You can see she can cut the hair into two parts. If she wants to make this side a party, she can cut that side as a party and the other side as a party and the middle as a party. So let's go. Now I'm putting the weave on that she can use to turn it to make it a party. Time for brushing. I brush the weaver and the hair, the natural hair together. You could tell me the difference between this hair and the weave-on. You can see how long the hair is. Wow. I know most people will be willing to have this kind of hair. If you want to know the secret of this hair and you want to have your hair long like this, please DM or drop your comments. Then we'll give you the secret of the hair, how you will make your hair so long and neat, clean like this. So guys, we are almost done with the hairstyle. So tell me, do you find this helpful and useful to you? And nail is something you can do at your home when you are available for that. Tell me, let me hear you on the comment section. So I'll be leaving you guys on the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it for your time. And those of my new and old subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming across my video and sharing and subscribe as well. God bless you. See you on my next video. One love.